Hello Olympiad aspirants. Welcome back to the YouTube channel of F2S Olympiads classes. Here I will help you in Olympiad preparation as well as you are going to get the updates and detailed knowledge of various Olympiad exams. We are going to start an Olympiad preparatory series for grade 5 to 7 for mathematics. We start with the preparation of Silver Zone Mathematics Olympiad, where I will teach you to solve the comprehensive book of Silver Zone. In this book, every chapter contains 40 questions, which I have divided in three-part videos of 14, 14 and 12. You will get two videos every week for your respective class. To get the updates of these videos, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Now let's start with the worksheet questions. Grade 5 Silver Zone Comprehensive Book, Chapter 6, Video Part 1. Okay. Arrange the following decimal in ascending order. Ascending means from the smallest to greatest. Okay. So first arrange the numbers and then I will check the option. So how can we check? First, this is called the whole number. This is called the decimal number. Okay. So if the whole number will be smaller, then that number will be smaller. So here we can say it, here it is 24, here it is 24. Both are equal. Then we will move to the decimal number. The first place value is known as 10th place value. So here it is same. Then we will move to the 100th place value. 100th place value is again same. Then we will move to the 1000th place value. And 1000th place value is smaller in this case. So 24.560 is less than 24.562 is less than 45.1 is less than 54.02. Where it is? It is available in the option number B. That's why first answer will be option B. Okay. Come to question number 2. A and B are two decimals. If integral part of A is greater than part of B, integral part means the whole number. Suppose there is 23.45. So this part is known as integral part and this part is known as decimal part. Okay? So if the integral part of A is greater than that of B, then the number A will be greater than B. The second answer will be option A. Come to question number 3. X is a decimal which has 3 decimal places. Suppose there is 2.033, 3 decimal places. 10th place, 100th place and 1000th place. If the decimal is converted into fraction form, what will be the denominator of the resulting fraction? So for making it as the fraction, the the denominator will be 1 and the number of decimal places are 3. So that's why there will be 3 zeros. So it should be 1000. Option C. The third answer will be option C. Come to question number 4. Okay. Christina 5.02636 and 0.23564 are unlike fractions. Christina is saying these two are unlike fractions. Okay. Julia is saying 0.2356 and 0.0235 are like decimals. ये बोल रही है these are like decimals. Who of the above is correct? ठीक है? So both are correct. Or can we say if the number of decimal digits is equal to the number of decimal digits, then it is a like decimal, like fractions or like decimal. But here it is not. Here it is not. So it is unlike decimal or unlike fraction also. Okay? And if the decimal digit here it is, we can see it is same. So that's why both are correct. The fourth answer will be option C. Come to question number 5. Which one of the following is the correct expanded form of the 40.0235? So 40.02, so we can write it as 40 plus 2 by 100. Why 100? Because 2 is at 100th place, 3 is at 1000th place, and 0 is at 10th place. So we don't need to write 0. That's why 2 by 100 plus 3 is at 1000th place. It will be 3 by 100. Sorry, 3 by 1000 upon 5 is at 10,000 place. So that's why it will be 5 upon 10,000. It is in the option number B. The fifth answer will be option B. Come to question number 6. A and B are two decimals, okay, where twice of A subtracted from B, we get this. Value of A is this, find this. So twice of A, value of A equal to, it is given 548.355. And twice of A, so 2A is equal to this multiply by 2. ठीक है, तो when you just multiply 548.355 with 2, you will get 1096.71. 1096.71. When subtracted from B, so it means B equal to B equal to 2A plus this number. So 1096.71 plus 543.3202. ठीक है, तो just add it. 543.3202. So you will get 1640.0302. Now we have to find 2 into A plus B. तो A क्या है आपका this one and B क्या है आपका this one. तो find A plus B. तो 1640.0302 plus 548.355, you will get 2188.3852 and multiply it with 2. So you will get 4376.7704. It is in the option number B. So you can say 2 into A plus B will be equal to 4376.7704. Sixth answer will be option B. Okay. Question number 7. Jack selected two decimals, this and this, and multiplied them. Okay. The product is this. Okay. After a while, he realized that he mistakenly multiplied 35.41 by other decimal instead of 4.5. Find the other decimal. So product is written here P equal to 8.1443. ये आपका लिखा हुआ है 1443 and it is coming after multiplying with 3541 multiply by other decimal. I'm just writing it as Q. Then we get P. So Q will be equal to Q will be equal to P, that is your 8.1443 divided by 3541. So let's divide it. How can we divide? So for the decimal division, actually if there is the decimal, it is little difficult to divide. तो first make it like decimal. आप पहले इसको like decimal बना लो. If there is less decimal digits in the divisor side, so just put extra zeros, or if it is in the dividend side, then put extra zeros there and make it like decimal first. After making it like decimal, just remove the decimal and then start as the normal division. What you do? Okay, so it will be your 8 1443 divide by 354100. So you will get 0.23. 0.23. It is in the option D. So seventh answer will be option B. Come to question number 8. X is 1459.55 more than Y. Okay. And 542.31 less than X. Sorry, less than Z. If X plus Y is this, find the value of X plus Y plus Z. Okay. X is this more than Y. So X will be equal to 1459.55 plus Y. Okay. And Z will be equal to X plus 542.31. ठीक है. So can I write it Z as Y plus 1459.55 plus 542.31. हम ऐसा लिख सकते हैं इसको. Okay. Now using this expression X plus Y equal to this. X can be written here as, I am writing here only due to the less space, 1459.55 plus Y and again plus Y, this Y, equal to 1545.55. When you simplify this expression, so how can we simplify? We have to just subtract 1545.55 minus 1459.55. So you will get 86, and 86 divided by 2, so you will get 43. So Y will be equal to 43. Okay? So Y is 43. So X will be equal to 43 plus 1459.55. It is equal to 1502.55. 1502.55. And Z will be equal to Y हो गया आपका 43. तो 43 plus 1459.55 plus 542.31. तो ये आ जाएगा आपका 2044.86. 2044.86. ठीक है. तो Z आपको पता चल गया, X पता चल गया, Y पता चल गया. तो फाइंड X प्लस Y प्लस Z. तीनों की वैल्यू आप निकालने के लिए क्या करोगे? तो X की वैल्यू है आपकी प्लस 1502.55 प्लस Y है आपका 43 और प्लस Z है आपका 2044. So when you add these all, so you will get 3590.41. 3590.41. It is in the option number C. So eighth answer will be option C. Come to question number 9. There are 4, 5, 6 2 wheat bags in a go down. Okay, each bag contains 45.6 kg of wheat. Find the total amount of wheat in the go down. So for finding the total amount of wheat, we will just multiply 4562 multiply by 45.6. So how can we multiply? You can do it in your notebook. For the decimal multiplication, you have to just forget the decimal and multiply it as it is. And when you find the product, to just put the decimal only before the number of decimal digits. So how many number of decimal digits here? Only one decimal digits. तो आपको सिर्फ one digit से पहले decimal लगा देना है. तो you will get 2,08,027.2. ठीक है, तो 2 लाख kilogram it is 208026. It is in the option A. Ninth answer will be option A. ठीक है, writing the answer here also 208027.0 kg. Come to the question number 10. Find the number which is 4.2456 less than the product of this and this. तो first find the product. तो product क्या है आपका, तो कैसे करोगे आप, you have to do the same method. 45.21, तो आप सीधा 4521 multiply by 976 कर लो. Once you find the product 4412496, 441 and 2496, 2496. तो there are 4 decimal digits now. 2 इसके हो गए, 2 इसके हो गए. Just put decimal here. When you put decimal here, so this is the product. Now this number less than, now subtract this. तो -4.2456. अब इसको आपको इसको सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है इससे. तो -4.2456 करोगे तो you will get 437.004. 437.004. It is in the option number A. 10th का आंसर हो जाएगा option A. Come to question number 11. Write the number of the decimal indicated in the place value chart. ठीक है, तो ये है आपका 1000, ये hundreds है, ये tens है, s है. Look at the spelling and it is 6. तो 246.235, 246.21 नहीं, 246.2 tenth, 300th and 5000th. It is correct. 246.200. No, 2 is at the 10th position na, so 2 10th it will be. Option B is the correct answer. 11th answer will be option B. Come to question number 12. Find the place value of 4 in the decimal indicated in the following table. Okay. Place value of 4. Where is 4? 4 is here. It means it is at the 1000th place in the number. It will be 4 upon 1000. Option C. 12 answer will be C. Come to question number 13. Which one of the following is the standard form of the decimal 8000th? 8000th का मतलब हो गया 8 by 1000. It is in the option number C. 13th answer will be option C. Come to question number 14. Find the decimal places of the decimal which is 456.3215 more than this. ठीक है, तो decimal places in the decimal which is, तो first more than this, first find the number. Number is your 0.964 addition 456.3215. In the addition and subtraction, the decimal should be just below the decimal. ठीक है, now it is 5, it is 5, 8, 2, carry 1, 2, carry 1, 2, carry 1, 0, carry 1, 4. So how many decimal places are there? There are 4 decimal places. So option D. So 14th answer is option D. Okay. Hope you understood all the answers explained here. If so, please write yes in the comment section. I have provided the link of PDF note of this worksheet in the description box. You can download it from there. And if you want to practice more such questions, you can download our app from the Play Store and can buy the test series of your respective class. Thanks for watching.